boys and girls. I hope you're ready for your speed sounds today. I'm ready, Fred's ready, and I hope you're ready. We'll have my turn, your turn. Ow. Do you know what else this could be? That's right, this could be O. A. O. I. A. Oo. This can also be U. Oi. O. E. Can you think of what else this one could be? That's right, it could be E. Oo. O. Or. And we're back to the beginning. B, R, A, brother. V, A, mother. Today's new spelling rule is adding the suffix and est to an adjective again. There's another rule. Shall we have a look at what it is? Here it is. Have a look. What do you think the rule could be? I think lots of you will guess this one. That's right. If there's a short vowel sound, so our vowels are A, E, I, O and U. And if they're making short sounds, it's A, E, I, O, A. And if we hear or see those short vowel sounds in the adjective, for example in big, it's B, I, G. So we've got an I, the short vowel sound. Then we're going to double up the last consonant. So in big, it's a G, and we're going to double up that G before adding our suffix and est. And have a look at the bottom one, fit, I, t. We also have a short vowel sound, I. So what are we going to do? Double up the last consonant and then add our ER or our est. Shall we have a go ourselves at practicing this one? Okay, here we have sad, s-a-d, sad. Now let's see if we can change that from sad to sadder to saddest. Have a go at that one. Here we have hot to hotter to hottest. Now let's read hot. H-o-t, hot. Now think about the O. That's a short vowel sound. So what are we going to do to the consonant at the end before we add and est? See if you can give it a go. Now we have wet to wetter to wettest. Shall we read wet? W-e-t, wet. Now think about the vowel sound. Is it a short one? If it is, what are you going to do to the consonant before you add and est? Have a go. Time for our dictated sentence. Remember, my turn, then your turn to say it out loud, and then you can write it down, and then you can check. The tiger was fitter than the lion, but not the biggest. Your turn. Here we go. How did you do? Now I've highlighted the word fitter and I've highlighted the word biggest because those two words follow our rule today, our spelling rule today. Now I hope you enjoyed phonics today and I'll see you next time. Bye everyone.